Mi 10T Pro will also feature a massive 108 megapixel sensor that really unlocks your creativity. At the simplest, what 108 megapixel means is that every single photo captures multiple stories and moments. For example, adorable elements like this dog and details like the expression on this lady's face. So much to express, so many details, all in one high-quality photo. The Mi 10T Pro includes a lot of easy-to-use tools that help you express your ideas. First, something that I really like, our intelligent long exposure mode. We give you 6 different long exposure modes for 6 different types of photos. First, light painting. This was shot with something very ordinary, a colored light stick. By turning on Mi 10T Pro's long exposure mode and twirling the light stick around, we've turned something very simple into something extraordinary. Or, if you get out of town, you could take a normal scene like this and turn it into something exceptional. The ring of light that you see here is actually a drone flying in a circle. Long exposure mode captures the entire trail of the light. Neon trails. Just set up your camera overlooking a busy street, set up long exposure, and wait. Long exposure also allows you to focus on what's important by blurring out the background in a cool and unique way. Next, starry sky. With Mi 10T Pro, just place your camera in the good position and hit long exposure. Our 108 megapixel camera is able to capture even very dim starlight due to its very large sensor size. Or you can take starlight and bend them to your will. Star trails take a bit longer to shoot and require you to set up your phone for a few hours as the Earth rotates. And it might look even better with water, taking the water movement and creating a unique, silky still. Actually, this is shot by one of our Mi fans in our Shot by Me contest. With these 6 modes, you'll be able to take light and do whatever you want with it. Long exposure mode eliminates a lot of guesswork in photography and simplifies it for hassle-free, Instagram-friendly shots. We've added AI Skyscaping 3.0. With this, you can add a variety of different color tones, motion, or even weather and firework effects. For example, let's say you take a nice photo, but the sky is a bit gloomy and depressing. Skyscaping 3.0 can analyze the photo, replace the sky, and adjust the colors for a picture-perfect photo. You can even take a great night shot like this and add a touch of weather for some unique personality. Mi 10T Pro can analyze and add this to nearly any photo with a sky. This is a great photo, right? Fireworks. The algorithm even adds light flashes to the sides of the building for a more realistic image. This is great for festive occasions. Here, we've got some pretty cool standard photos, but let's color our creativity. Cyberpunk brings us into the futuristic future. Gold Vibes, on the other hand, brings us back to the roaring 20s. And lastly, Black Eyes. Superhero movie feel with the click of a button. With a few positions and clicks, you can get photos like this. Some days, when I'm working from home, I really wish there were more of me to do everything I wanted to do. Without your team, your music talent, or relax and take care of family life. I'm excited to see what you will do with video clones. Resolution matters. So we've included 8K capabilities in our Mi 10T Pro. For those of you moving to 8K for the first time, 8K is an amazing 16 times more total resolution than 1080p. This gives you an ideal way to share special moments from various perspectives, with friends and with family. It also opens up creative possibilities from 2 different angles. Dual video also allows you to share how you feel in some pretty extreme situations. For social media experts out there, we're going to help you level up your game with time-lapse on both the front and the rear cameras. The most common use of time burst is also one of the most impressive. This works by capturing individual photos every few seconds or minutes or hours. Next, let's talk about something that's really important to me. A display that powers your creativity. Mi 10T Pro will feature one of the industry's very best flat displays. Another thing we took note of is the fact that for a lot of users, refresh rate is very, very important. So we've ensured that the Mi 10T Pro features one of the industry's very highest refresh rates at an amazing 144 Hz. Now let's take a look at what this means practically. To put it simply, it's smoother. And when you zoom in, which is more realistically how you see your phone, you can see it's many times smoother visually than a competing 60 Hz display. And this is even more obvious for gaming enthusiasts. Smoothness not only impacts how a video looks, but how immersive gaming feels. Now on the right here, you can see a huge amount of image blur, especially when we slow down playback. Xiaomi has pioneered a new display technology. This technology is called Adaptive Sync. Adaptive Sync is ready for any content, adapting to movies, TV, streams, or anything else you might do on your smartphone. And this really impacts battery performance. In fact, with some quick math, Adaptive Sync gives you more than 8% battery remaining after 6 hours of heavy use. We've also included MEMC. What MEMC does is that it intelligently analyzes videos as you watch, creates additional frames to give you a smooth, clear video better than you would have had without. It's amazing. We've also ensured that the Mi 10T Pro features advanced eye care. This is to maximize protection for your eyes even under heavy usage. We've included an all-new advanced sunlight mode, which tweaks your display settings for maximum visibility under daytime conditions. We tried it out next to a common smartphone, and the difference is very clear. One of the biggest problems is when the light on the front and back of your smartphone is very different. For example, when it's very sunny behind, creating a backlit condition. This is an area where many smartphones struggle. But we've engineered the Mi 10T Pro to be visible in almost any lighting. This is achieved through both display hardware and software optimization. Mi 10T Pro has adopted an advanced 360-degree light sensor. This intelligently detects light from both the front and the rear to analyze your current conditions. Reading mode 3.0. This is probably most crucial at night, but it's also very useful throughout the day. Mi 10T Pro offers extremely accurate colors, and tested against the competition, you can see we're really quite far ahead. Next, speed to power your creativity. We chose the leading Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 to power your phone. Why? For many reasons, like flagship 5G, raw power, but also very importantly, the Spectra 480. This helps to optimize the camera experience while offering support for the massive 108 megapixel sensor. Of course, Snapdragon 865 is also an industry-leading 5G processor, meaning you can connect faster than ever before. Backing all this up is one of the biggest batteries ever in a Xiaomi flagship, 5,000 milliamps. In fact, 5,000 milliamps is the biggest battery across all major 2020 flagship phones in the market. This is how a normal battery without MMT works. Now, with MMT, you have electric currents charging in two directions at the same time. So it's more efficient and faster by traveling along a shorter path. Comparing the two, it is clear that MMT helps you fill up faster. 17% faster, in fact. We are offering 33 watts fast charge. We are also including a 33 watts inbox charger. Lastly, let's talk about design. my personal favorite, Lunar Silver. This color features an anti-reflective matte finish, which also doesn't pick up fingerprints very easily. Mi 10T Pro will also be available in a super minimalistic cosmic black. This color style is reflective. To protect it, we have not 2, but 3 pieces of Corning Gorilla Glass 5, covering even the camera glass. We've integrated the fingerprint sensor into the side of the device, so it's comfy and easy to use. We've also included 3D recording. We put in 2 microphones so that your Mi 10T Pro can detect which side audio is coming from and record stereo audio. This is perfect because Mi 10T Pro also allows you to play 3D audio using the dual speakers. And we've extended the creative experience to feel as well with an advanced X-axis linear motor. Mi 10T Pro comes with antibacterial accessories included. So, the Mi 10T will start at just, are you ready? €499. And for more RAM, just €549. And the Mi 10T Pro will start at just, ready? €599. And for double the storage, 8 plus 256 gigabytes at just €649. So with the help of our partners, we'll be offering the Mi 10T series through more channels than ever before, particularly through a large number of carriers and operators throughout Europe. It will also be available through a large number of open market channels. So please be assured that if you do not live in Europe, we are also available in almost all channels in all the countries that we operate in. So please stay tuned for more information. This is Lunar Silver, and this is Cosmic Black. Great looking devices, right?
Beyond Mi 10T Pro and Mi 10T, we're also going to be introducing Mi 10T Lite. Like its older brothers, we've also built it to power your creativity with a 64 megapixel quad camera. It's going to be available in 3 colors. First off, Atlantic Blue. Next, we wanted to try something a little more creative. This is our Rose Gold Beach. Finally, for you minimalists, this is our Pearl Gray. We've also made sure to use an ultra-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. And for power, we've included a 4,820 milliamp hour battery. When you need to juice up, we've included 33-watt fast charging. And we've made sure to include a compatible charger right there in the box for you. As Sho said, this is about 5G. For people like myself, this offers a wide variety of benefits. Faster browsing, higher quality content, but perhaps most importantly, closer connections. We're featuring the global debut of a brand new 5G processor, the Snapdragon 750G. This super snappy processor features an Antutu score of over 330,000. We've been super impressed with the performance of the Snapdragon 750G 5G chipset. So we talked about amazing products. Now let's talk about honest prices. Mi 10T Lite will be available at an RRP of just $279. But, as always, I think we can do even better for our fans out there. So today, we're going to be offering a flash sale for early buyers at just €249. Finally, for double the storage, just €329. As I said, Mi 10T Lite is the new standard for 5G value in 2020. We're going to be making Mi 10T Lite available through a large variety of channels very, very soon. So make sure you stay tuned to your local Xiaomi social media channels for more information.